This is Eric Tolman with your forecast. Current conditions right now, 76 degrees with mostly cloudy skies, humidity at 85%, wind speed coming from the south at 8 miles per hour. The barometer right now is 29.97 inches. Dew point temperature 71, visibility at 10 miles. We have a heat index right now at 77 degrees, and the last update was May the 27th at 4:56 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's go ahead and talk about the rest of our forecast here. I'm going to go ahead and go down here so we can talk about the rest of the forecast. Okay, so for tonight, just to let you know that we're not at all expected to see any severe weather by all means. So that's actually a good thing because we don't really have a good percentage for thunderstorm development for tonight. There's a very, very low chance for thunderstorms tonight at 20%. So it's a very, very slight chance. If we do get a thunderstorm, it's not going to reach severe limits at all. So I'll show you all that activity in just a little bit. So the low for tonight is going to be 66 degrees for a low tonight, and then into Thursday all the way up into Friday, we have better chances for showers and thunderstorms. So for Thursday, we go all the way from 30 to 70% chances for storms on Thursday, and then a better chance does increase, goes up to 80%. So chances for thunderstorms and then more thunderstorms likely, and we'll have a high of 81 degrees, the low 64 degrees, and thunderstorms continuing for Thursday night. And then into Friday, we're expecting thunderstorms again with 80% accuracy for thunderstorms and the high of 72 degrees. And then on Friday night, we actually have a chance of a thunderstorm or two at 30%. We're not expected to see any severe weather, so that should break things down. I will keep you posted if there's going to be a threat of severe weather. I will make sure I give you that update if that does persist for Southeast Michigan. But at this time, we're not expected to see any severe weather, so we don't have any concerns for severe weather at this point. So if we do, I'll make sure that I let you know about that as well. So for Friday night, once again, there'll be a chance of thunderstorms, and then mostly cloudy with a low of 52. Then we begin to dry out all the showers and storms and that, all the active weather showers and storms. We're going to begin to dry out, and we're going to have mostly sunny skies, and we're going to have a cool down, actually, as a matter of fact. And then it's going to be mostly cloudy skies with a high of 67 degrees. Very, very comfortable weather. And then on Saturday night, partly cloudy skies, and we go down for a low of 45 degrees. And then on Sunday, sunny skies with a high of 65. The low for Sunday night is going to be 45 degrees for a low on Sunday night. But all in all, very active stretch of weather there, and then things are going to calm down. We've got a cold front that still has to get in here in the Southeast Michigan, the state of Michigan, so we're just waiting for that cold front to push on through, and then things are really going to calm down. I'm going to show you what's going on the radar, and then I'll have another check of your forecast again tomorrow at 5 a.m., between 5 a.m. and 7 a.m. I'll have your 7-day forecast. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. I'll show you what activity we've got going on the radar, and then I'll see everyone again tomorrow for another look at your forecast, 7-day forecast, and much more. We'll be right back. Stay tuned. And thank you so much for joining me once again. I'm Eric Tolman. I just want to talk about the forecast for just a second. I just wanted to let you know that We're not expected to see any severe weather, and I'm going to actually talk about these thunderstorms very quickly here, and then I'll see everyone again tomorrow at 5 a.m., starting at 5 a.m. That's when I'm going to start my day, and then we'll be talking about the forecast and all that kind of weather-related activity as well. So I'm going to just tell you that a lot of us in Southeast Michigan, we're not really going to see any sign of showers or thunderstorms. There's a very slight, very, very low risk for thunderstorms to approach Southeast Michigan. And you can see that all the showers and thunderstorms are very active in this area. So most of the thunderstorms that do develop, it does appear that they are generally going to be on the western part of Michigan and western Michigan. So a lot of the thunderstorm development, unfortunately, is over on the western part of Michigan. But tomorrow we'll have a better chance of seeing showers and thunderstorms, but we're not expected to see any severe weather at all today. And possibly tomorrow we might be lucky. I'll have to keep an eye on the radar and stuff and the models and all that, and I'll keep you posted and let you know whether or not, if we're going to have more active weather, I'll let you know. But for right now, we're in good shape. No severe weather is expected for Michigan at this time, so that's really a good sign. So I'll give you a status tomorrow where we're at as far as thunderstorm development, storm activity goes, and vice versa. So all in all is good. We got lucky again, and on top of that, the cab is not really all that high currently for any severe weather development. So I'll have to keep an eye on the cab as well and all the other stuff that goes along with that. So I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. But I'll be monitoring all the severe weather that will be developing in the Midwest. I'll continue to keep an eye on that and keep you posted. So if we are going to be under the risk for any kind of severe weather, I most definitely will let you know immediately. But I did check the outlook, and I will check it again. But we don't really see any chances for severe weather, but non-severe thunderstorms can be expected for Southeast Michigan at this time. So I'll keep you posted on that. So that's as far as we go with that, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow at 5 a.m. And then we'll talk about all the thunderstorm activity and where we're at, and another look at our 7-day forecast. So once that the cold front comes on through the state of Michigan, once the cold front comes on through the state of Michigan, things are really going to cool down. We won't have any active weather or anything like that, and things will start calming down. So, and it will also take a lot of the heat and humidity and all this hot, sticky weather that we have along with it. So that was the other part I forgot to add in. I'm really sorry. There's just a lot to talk about because there's just so much info that everyone needs to know. So I will see everyone tomorrow morning. Everybody have a nice night. And thank you so much for joining me. I'm Eric Tolman. And once again, thank you for tuning in to the Southeast Michigan Weather Channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for joining me once again. You guys have a good night. See you tomorrow.